Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how can we join multiple PDF files and make them into one single PDF file. Suppose you have lot of PDF files and you want to make them into one single PDF file, so then you can do it so easily. So to do this we will use software. Its name is FormatFactory and this is completely free software. If you search it on Google you will easily get it. And the installation process is very simple. I will personally suggest you to use this software because this is completely free and there are a lot of features in it and you can use them. So first of all you have to open this FormatFactory software. Then you have to click on document. Here you can see some options, but you have to click on PDF joiner. If you want to join multiple PDF files, so then click on PDF joiner. Then you can see this interface and here you have to click on add files. So if you click on add files, you can select the PDF files. So now I will click on add files. Now you have to select the PDF files that you want to join. So here we have some PDF files. Now I'm going to join them. So first of all I have to select the PDF files, then I will click on open. So here you can see the sequence of the PDF file. You can change it like this, just up and down, and which PDF file you want to keep up, just click on up, and the PDF file you want to keep on the down position, just click on down. So this is how you can easily change the position of the PDF file like this, just up and down like this to change its position. So from here we can change the directory, I mean the folder where our PDF file will be stored. This is the existing folder, we can change it. To change the folder we have to click on here and then click on add folder. Then you have to select the folder where you want to keep the PDF files, then just select it. Suppose I'm going to select this folder, FormatFactory, and then inside the folder I'm going to create another folder and you can choose any folder you want. Suppose I'm creating a folder and its name is document. I will select this folder. Now this PDF file will be stored on this folder. If you want to join this PDF file and make them one, just click on OK. To start joining the multiple PDF files, we have to click on start. If we click on start, it will start joining. So we will click on start and here we can see it will take a short loading. After completing the loading, our PDF file will be joined and it will make a single PDF file. Till then you have to keep patience. So here you can see our loading is done. Now we have to go to that folder, the folder we have already selected. The PDF file will be stored. So now I'm going to that folder. So here you can see our PDF file is done. So you can see our multiple PDF files joined together and it finally made a single PDF file.